Hey, hello, sir. This is the instruction video of how to install the macros. It's pretty simple. It's not that difficult. This link right here is the one that you're gonna use to download the files to your computer. Right now, I just place it into a new tab on the search engine, so you will see how easy it is to get there. So right now, this is the one that you need to download. The only thing you gotta do is download standard download, and you will eventually begin the download of the files. So right now I'm downloading my own file just to let you know that the link that I'm sending you is actually working. So right now we just wait for the download. It's gonna take just a few seconds. It's 39.6 megabytes, so it's a lot of macros. Been collecting those macros for a long time, so I hope they work for you. I hope you find useful for you. So right now I got the files here. I already did it a couple of times, so someone asked me for the files. So okay, this one here. Okay, so well, actually I had to move this to my desktop. I'm gonna move it to my desktop so to show you what to do before. Okay, so right now, let me see. It's this one here, and the only thing you gotta do. This is a win. I think this is a WinRAR or WinZip. Let me see. Let me see the properties. Okay, this is a WinRAR. You need to have WinRAR to extract this file. So you can download the free version of the WinRAR. Extract the file. You're going to extract them. Sorry about my English. This is not that clear because I'm actually Puerto Rican. I'm from Puerto Rico, so all right. Let's wait for the files to extract, and you can see they are right here. Many macros that have been. Some of the macros are from Alex M. Some are from the J.K. Uteman. And some I'm from the majority of them that are created by me. So I spend many hours making those macros, and some of them are not they are not made by myself. So from other guys that they share the files to me. So right now I have let me delete this one here. I really don't need it anymore. So you can see this one here is already ready to go, and here there is the profile of my Spring Layout 6. Right now, if you drop this, sorry about that, it's too early. If you drop this into the folder, it's going to change all your configuration. So probably you only need the macro folder. So the only thing you gotta do is copy this folder. You just copy. I'm going to show you the location of where you're going to install those macros. Go to files. In my case, I'm using Windows 10, so it's a little bit different. It's about the same. Go to PC, go to driver C, then go to program files. I'm sorry, users. I'm sorry, I apologize. Users, I go too fast. I'm sorry. Users, then go to public documents. It's this one here. Double click. You will see the folder called Layout 60. This is the one that you're gonna copy or paste the macros. I'm not gonna do it right now because I already have that folder, so I don't need to copy the folder right here. One sample I'm going to do it right now, so to show you. I'm going to paste it here. It's gonna take a few minutes because it's many files, and then it's gonna ask you if you want to overwrite the file. You will press yes to all. So let me wait for that. I hope this video is not too long. Okay, let's wait for that. Okay, this says replace the file with in the destination. So I will say yes because it's the same thing. Let me see. Yes, I'm going to do it. So it's going to overwrite all the files that I have on my folder, the macro folder. So I got many files. All right, there you go. So now it's installed. All the macros are right here, all of them. So I got like 6,709 files. Some of them you can delete them if you don't need them. So I have many digital macros that I really don't need. I like the one that I made. So some of these they are not designed by myself. So, but you got plenty. You got plenty of macros. Let me see. I'm going to show you the one that I create are the one that says 1-1 and then the name. So these are the one that I actually made. This is not the macro, but this is Rudy's Simasim. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly. So advice that I'm going to let you know, there are some complete projects here, but the problem is that after you save them, one example, if you want to change something here, it's going to crumble all of the macros. So this is only, you can use it as a reference only. So let me open this a little bit more because it's kind of wider. There you go. Okay, right here, as you can see, this is Rudy's design, but this is just a clone that I made. This is one of the projects that I would like to try it out later on, maybe this year, to order a few PCBs. So you have this one here, and you will have probably some other projects that I've been cloning, basically. So this macro is original. This one, the majority of them. Please do not use my face. That's my logo. Don't use that one, please. Okay, this one is made by J.K. Uteman. So you can actually save the project as a macro and use it later. This is the Wolverine, as you can see, the Wolverine, and yeah, I'm going to show you that in a minute. So I also have here, I think the Honey Badger also is here. Let me see if I can show you some other projects. I got plenty of those projects. Okay, I got the AX14. I have, let me see if I can show you another project. Okay, this is the Honey Badger. Please, if you can make this homemade. I have not tested yet this one, the Honey Badger. I already ordered a few. This is the clone actually of the Honey Badger. But please do not mention that you have this file, because I don't want to get in trouble with the DIY.com community. They're gonna get upset because I have the Honey Badger clone. Okay, one example. Okay, so you want to try it out the Honey Badger. One example, you can drop it into the working area. Let me get it. I'm going to delete those that I have here. Okay, I'm going to delete these, and then I'm going to drop the Honey Badger. The Honey Badger is a pretty long PCB, so you need to increase the size of the area. I'm sorry, the area size, so a little bit more. It's a little bit longer. So this is the one, the Honey Badger. To let you know, this is only a clone, so I'm not sure this is 100% accurate, but I spent many hours making sure that it's correct. I do have the PCB that I ordered, or the clone of this PCB, but not for sale. No, don't get me wrong, not for sale. So only for personal use. So maybe later I will put it together, complete it, and to test it out to see how it's going to respond. I do have some pictures of some of my projects that I have here. I'm going to show you right away. So this is the projects, some of them. Okay, this is the one that JK, I'm sorry if I cannot pronounce his name correctly. JK Uteman with double N. Okay, so this is one of the PCB that I ordered from the file that he posts on the forum. Let me show you on other projects that I have. So, this is the PCB that Mr. Terry sent me. Mr. Terry was so kind that he sent me these PCBs. They sound really good. I'm telling you, sounds really good. Let me sorry about that. Okay, let me see. I'm going to show you the largest PCB that I ordered. Okay, this is the largest one that I ordered from the Kiki PCB. I don't think I have the honey badger pictures here. I don't believe that I have it here. So this is another project that I need to complete. I have not completed this project yet, so I do not have the large heatsink. All right. Well, so you got all the files here. There are many other projects that are also saved as a macro. The only problem here is that if you want to edit this file, everything is going to explode. By explode, what I mean is that, for example, I'm going to split the group. If you want to change something, this is going to happen. You see, it's not going to be all together. So that's why this file, it will be really difficult to try to update it. If you want to update it, move something, you gotta select all seal screens from this resistor right here. You gotta select everything. You can see, not this one here. Then you take the seal screen, build the group. So now you can move it around. So that's the only problem about saving the whole project as a macro, because if you want to edit, everything is going to be loose, and then you gotta put it all together. For example, you want to move this trim pad, you gotta select or pressing shift, and then you gotta put together all the lines, the seal screen lines, so you can move it around. So for example, I'm doing that right now here. And then build the group. So, after you build the group, you can move it around the way you want it to, So for now, yeah, that's it. All right, I hope the. Let me do it one more time. Maybe I did it too fast. So maybe I did it too fast, and you might get a little bit confused. I don't want you to get confused. So let's go back to the location of the file. So you go to folder that username, you go to users, go to public, and then public documents, and you will see the folder layout 60. So you go here and you're going to copy the macro folder, this one here. It contains it have all the macro file. You copy those files, copy, and paste it right here in this folder. So you can see the link here: local C, users, public document, and then layout 60, and you will see this folder, and you just paste it right here. So it will override the other macros, so you can begin to use them. Okay, I hope you can find a good use to these macros. So it's doing a lot of noise. The reason there's a truck passing by. The reason I share the files, because for me it would make no sense to just save this for myself, and probably someone else might need this to continue working with DIY.com. Many people like to build your own amplifier, so that's why I share the files, so everybody can make a good use of them, so they can enjoy building computers and stuff like that. I mean computers, I don't want to say computers, I mean PCBs for audio amplification, probably equalizers and stuff. All right, I hope you find these files useful, sir. All right, have a good day.